guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Got 6 more of these 1991 packs. Let me focus up the camera a little more. Alright, so I got 6 of them today. Not too much, but should be a fairly quick video. See if we can pull some of these game breakers, besides Marion Butts, of course. You seen in the last video, we pulled another Marion Butts, which was a little unnerving, to say the least. We have 2 of them now, or 3, I believe. But let's get into it. All right. Leave a comment down below if you like these videos. Leave a comment too of how your day's been so far. Of course, I care about your day. Come on, guys, praying for a game breaker card. First pack of the video. Let's see what we get. Any shiny in there so far? No, I don't see none. That's a bad sign. We got Jim Lockey. We got Art Monk. Don't know why these cards are like this, but whatever. I'm not complaining. Dennis Gentry. Oh shit, this one's upside down. Got Lemuel Stinson. Got Rick Fenny. Another upside down card. We got Will Wolford. Then we got Robert Clark. We got Ray Croquette. This one's a side one card. That's pretty cool. We got Harris Barton. All right, we got Farrell Edmonds. And this is pretty cool. We got a rookie force card. Let's see what it is. Alvin Harper. Pretty cool card. Got Brett Perryman. Cleveland Gary. Last but not least, we got Mark Kelso. All right, so no game breakers so far, but there's still hope. There's still hope. Still hope, to say the least. Let's get into the next pack. Also, too, sorry if I'm pronouncing some of these names wrong. It's truly not on purpose. All right, and this one we got a star rookie card. We got Mark Dumas. Pretty cool card. We got Richard Dent. Pretty cool card as well. We got Houston Oilers. Oh, wow. That's an awesome card. Warren Moon. I love these full art cards. These cards are awesome. Got a rookie force card, Shane Curry. We got Tommy Aggie. Felix Wright. It's an awesome card. Greg Davis. Upside down, we got Garth Jacks. Andy Heck. We got Everson Walls. Upside down again, we got Kevin Ross. Bruce Smith. Last but not least, we got Tim McDonald. All right, still no game breakers, but I mean, not complaining. Could be worse. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy the videos you're watching, obviously, and keep updated with my YouTube shorts. I usually post about 1 or 2 a day, depending on how busy I am or whatnot. But starting off, we got another star rookie card. We got Dan McGuire. We got Jim Jensen. We got Jim Everett, which is a full art card, I believe. Wow, it's a nice card. I love these collector choice cards. They're super duper cool. This, oh wow. Rookie Force checklist. Wow. That's something, huh? I forgot though you could even pull those. Calvin Williams. Rich Gannon. Got Ricky Ellison. Cortez Kennedy. Oh crap. Oopsie. Sean Jones. Willie Gault. Dave Craig. Last but not least, we got Gilbert. All right, overall not a bad pack. I'm pretty interested in that Rookie Force checklist card. It's pretty cool. Never actually pulled one of these from these packs, so this is definitely pretty interesting. But yeah. Let's get into another pack. So far we've opened 3, so this is going to be the 4th one. We got 2 more left after this one. Like I said down below, please make sure to let me know how your day's going. Love to hear how your day's going. Also, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Helps me out, grow my channel a decent amount. Trying to hit at least 100 subscribers, which I know is a far reach right now. I only got like 5 or so, but trying to hit at least 100 or so by sometime soon. But starting off, we got a star rookie card. Got Russell Maryland. We got Ron Morris. We got Andre Tippett. That's an awesome card. I love these full art cards. These are definitely my favorite cards to pull from this set. Got Tim Barnett rookie force card. Oh wow, oh wow, 16 of 18. Meaning there were only 18 of these cards ever produced. Wow, this is a very rare card. Oh my god. Holy cow. Joe Namath. That's an awesome card right there. Oh, Jesus. 16 to 18, guys. This is awesome. This will definitely be posted on the TikTok later today. Oh, wow. That's awesome, man. All right, I'm going to put this right back here. Keep a good eye on it. J.J. Burden. Got Anthony Shelton. Dwayne Harper. Got Carl Banks. Tim Brown. Cowboys legend Emmitt Smith. Last but not least, we got Ken Harvey. Oh, man. Guys, this is an awesome pull. You guys have no idea. In pretty good condition, too. Wow. That's awesome, dude. 16 of 18. That's insane. All right. Wow. All right, we got 2 packs left. I don't know what can top that. I mean, that's whew, still leaving me a little shaken up. All right. Let's see. Wow, starting off with a full art card. You guys know I love these. Oh, wow. What is this? Vinny Testaverde. Awesome card. Got Harold. Guys. No chance. No chance. No chance. Guys, look. This is number 16 of 18. This is number 17 of 18. There's no chance. There's absolutely no chance. There's absolutely no shot right now, guys. Oh my god, I'm shaking. Guys, this is absolutely insane. Oh my God, guys. That's insane, dude. Jesus Christ, guys. All right, I got this William Thomas rookie force card. Jesse Tuggle. James Washington. Maurice Carthen. Got Chip Lomiller. Got Mike Monchik. Harold Green. Don Majowski. And then Bert Grossman. Man, I'm still shaking up right now. This is just insane. God damn. Didn't even make sense. I don't know how. I don't know how. I've never, ever seen anything like that from these packs, guys. It's insane luck right now. I don't even know what could top that, guys. Starting off, got Robert Blackman. Got Eric McMillan. Got Joe Montana. Eric Pegram. Rookie force card. Bruce Matthews. Eric Ball. Rufus Porter. Steve Wisniewski. Junior Show. Mark Carrier. Keith Jackson. Last but not least, we got John Alt. My apologies. But Jesus, guys, I don't even care that we didn't even just pull nothing from that last pack. I mean, it's just these two cards alone. I mean, I'm blown away right now, guys. This is just crazy luck right now. I just don't even know what to say. Crazy to me, guys. But I mean, that's gonna do it for the video today. I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed. I was definitely not expecting to have that good of luck with these packs. I mean, and tomorrow I'm most likely gonna be posting a video with these 1990 Fleer Premier Edition packs, just opening those. So I got 9 of those, I believe. But yeah, so I mean, definitely gonna do my research on these, see what they're worth, and keep posted on the TikTok to see the highlights of this video. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.